Okay, we are back with this old JLWO. And another shout out to Goof Off Super Glue Remover. Oh my god, it took so long to get this old freaking super glue off of this sub. Whoever tried to reattach the surround of the cone on this thing used a combination of super glue and hot glue, and my god, that super glue is a pain in the ass. So, Goof Off Super Glue Remover. It still takes some time, but man, it works. It works. Acetone kind of worked. Surprisingly, that worked better. So, if you have super glue stuck somewhere, especially on plastic, use that. Oh my god. So, we're back with this thing. We're going to now get the surround, do a little more cleaning up on it, but then get the surround, start gluing the surround down. So, here we go.
Okay, so here I am just measuring up some tongue depressors or popsicle sticks, whatever you want to call them, just to help support the cone from underneath as I'm gluing the foam on. I can kind of put a little pressure on the foam that way without the sub depressing, getting pushed down. So the tongue depressors just help support it while I'm gluing everything in.
Glue's applied, gotta let it dry, gotta let it air out. The foam's gonna be a pain in the ass, so you just gotta sit here and work it for a bit, but it'll work. It'll stick, it'll be perfect. That actually set a lot faster than I thought it was going to set, so that works out. Yeah. Let that sit and dry for a little bit. And then I'll do the surround, and then we'll glue the gasket back on. While I'm sitting here, waiting. I can't clean this dust cap a little better. Oh yeah, that works really well actually. I'll say that looks pretty good. Alright, so we got a dirty dust cap. This stuff works pretty well. Never done that before. Good to go on. It's clean. Surround is glued down to the basket now, so get the gasket on. I'll do it. Cleaning on this guy just for the hell of it. All right. Flip time.
The clamps! Right?
Cool. That's it. I gotta glue the dust cap back on, but I'm pretty much done here. Cool, we'll let that sit for a little while. Let the glue set. With those clamps on there.
I ought to clamp you! You want to be clamped?
Whoa, calm down, Clamps.
I'll be back. Okay, we're back. We're gonna glue the dust cap on. And this thing should be good to go. Go. Be careful here and just get it on this top of this lip. Okay, here we go. We want it directly up and down and centered the best we can get. And eyeball it. Eyeball, good enough. Use a ruler to line it up the best we can. Perfect. Lined up. Good. So just let that dry. I'll put a little weight on there. Let it dry and she's done. Yeah. Ready for resale with the other one. It's a matching brother that needs cleaned up. Cool. Let that sit. And she's done. Okay, that's the refoam of this old JL8WO. If you're interested in purchasing these two subs, they both work. This one has a new surround, this one has the original surround. They look a little bit different. Once I clean this on up, you probably won't even tell. So if you're interested in purchasing these, they'll be on eBay. I'll post a link, or email me, email down in the description below. So that's it. Hope you enjoy. Hope you learned something. For now, take her easy. Ooh, I'm not going to spin it too hard.